Hey, this is William with Good Boy Consulting. Today I'm going to show you how to add a product on your WooCommerce website. So the product we want to add today is a bifold leather ostrich wallet. I'm going to add a description here, and I've already copied that. We're going to start scrolling down here and go ahead and select categories. I have all as a category because depending on what tool you use, you're not always going to have an option for all. So once you select a different category, you won't have an option to go back to all. So I just like to make sure I include that. Then we're going to add leather and ostrich. I'm going to scroll down and I just like to add all the same things for the product tag. Separate it with commas. Hit enter. Also at the top here, you're going to have an option to change the permalink if you choose. So we're just going to take out the leather here, for example. Hit OK. And there you go. Next, we want to add some variations. So this product comes in both light brown and tan. So we're going to click variable product, come down to attributes, and then we're going to add an attribute. So here we type in color, then come over to values, and we have light. First of all, you'll see right here, it tells you to use this character to separate the values. So we're going to have light brown, separate it, and tan. We're going to check use for variations. I'll show you why in a second. Go ahead and click save. Then if you need to add anything later on, you just come click on this and you can add different values in here. So we're going to come down to variations, click the drop down, and create variations from all attributes. Go ahead and click go. It just asks you if you're sure you want to do this. It tells you again that it's done, and then you'll see the variations will show up here. So next we need to add in pricing. We're going to make these $50, and we want to manage stock on this. So this sets it so that you can set a certain quantity of the product. This is very helpful because you don't want customers coming in and buying products that you don't actually have. Be very unfortunate for someone to pay for something and not receive it. So we want to go ahead and manage stock. We're going to do the same thing on this next one, $50 and manage stock. Now you'll see some more options here. It just has sale price, and you can schedule a sale price, set the stock quantity. So let's say maybe we have 10 instead of 0, which on this product we're not certain. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that empty for now. We don't want to allow back orders, and we don't actually have a weight or dimensions on this, but this would be useful for shipping. Lastly, if there's anything that's going to be different about one of the variations of the product from just the product in general, then you can add that in here. But this one's all the same, so we're just going to go ahead and save changes. At the bottom here, we have a product short description. So I'm just going to say bifold wallet made from genuine ostrich leather. And we're done. Now we're going to come up here and we need to set a product image. I'll have to upload one for this. So we'll come on over to upload files, select the file, and we find it in here. Here it is. Now, once this loads, you want to go ahead and change the title of it. This is for SEO purposes. And we're just going to add in Let's Farm Services, which is our client. Then we'll copy all of this, Control A, and then Control C to copy, and come down to Alt Text and Control V to paste it in there. Go ahead and set the product image. So you'll see it loads in right here. And then just below that is the product gallery. This would be for if you had any alternative pictures. We don't for this product, but if you wanted to, for example, have the product image here and then have other images below it to choose from, then you would add those into the product gallery. So we're just going to go through everything real quickly and make sure we have it all here. We have the short description. And the short description will be the main description that you see. The long description that we have at the top will be at the very bottom. So we have our variations with stock managed and pricing set up. We have our image, our tags, our categories, and our long description. So everything's good. Let me go ahead and hit publish. And then we're done.